Ooey gooey cookie dough. I mean, folks.
Comedy Kitchen with Chef Sel was recorded in front of a fake audience. Told you.
Hey guys, Chef Sel right here. Stop it. Fake audience. Listen, I am so tired of people saying, Chef Sel, my gluten-free cookies, every time I try to make them, it tastes like a piece of the freaking sidewalk. That's because you're a dummy head. You gotta listen to me. Listen, I'm gonna show you how to make a gluten-free hazelnut chocolate cookie. It'll blow your mind. It'll blow your friends. Stick with me, let's go. Here, see? Hazelnuts, all chopped up. I got them roasted and chopped in a bag. Let's go in the store and say to the guy, hey, give me that stuff. Show him a picture or something. You could do the food processor too, but I don't feel like it. Bang it up, baby. Boom. See that? Big pieces, small pieces, whatever you want. It's in there. It's all in here. Your whole life is in this bag. Next. Now in this medium bowl here, I have baking soda, brown rice flour, super fine please, and some Dutch cocoa. You know Dutch, you know, with the funny hats? Yeah, Dutch. And some salt. I'll put all these ingredients down in the description, or you can write to me in the comments and say, dude, get with it, man. How am I gonna make this? I don't know what's in it. This is what's in it, and I'll write it to you too. Whisk it up. And this cup of crushed hazelnuts that you crushed so perfectly, sitting there on your couch not doing anything. See, fine pieces and nice pieces. That's my third cookbook, by the way. Available on Amazon. There you go. Put that aside. Microwave safe bowl. 4 ounces. Bittersweet, semi-sweet, sweetie sweet, I don't care. Little chocolate morsels, 4 ounces. I'll convert this to cups for all you people from the Stone Age. Don't worry, I'm with you, I got you. There you go, see? I'm gonna melt this in a microwave with some butter. Let me get the butter. Unsalted butter, right there, 55 grams, about 4 or 5 tablespoons. It doesn't have to be perfect. And hit it in the microwave, 10 seconds at a time, till it's liquid-y, and then swing it around. Swing it, do a swing, man. I'll be back, I'm gonna do that. You know, it was like a stop and go minute. See that? Nice and gooey. Oh boy, this is gonna make a great freaking reel for Facebook. This is what you want, no? This is what you want, no? No? Quiet on the set, you fake people. All right, here you got that. Stand mixer. Or get one of those little, you know, those things. Yeah, that's right, I'm a chef, I know what I'm doing. 2 large eggs. Room temp. Eggs always room temp for gluten-free products. Always. They accept the injection of air a lot better than cold. That doesn't say that in any of the freaking books, you just gotta listen to me. Head start, they're just 2 eggs, don't get upset. 3/4 of a cup of your favorite white sugar. Do you really have a favorite? Come on. Sugar! 3/4 of a cup, or 155 on the grams. Whisk it all together again. See? Very simple. Now we're going to put this in the stand mixer. Don't say KitchenAid. You get in trouble. On the great thing. Put this whisk attachment. Bring it up. And you want to go until this is fluffy and pale. Just like my high school years. Start at about half. I'll show you. Fluffy and pale. You got that? See? Fluffy and pale. Very simple. Give me about a teaspoon or 2. Some good vanilla. Right next to the bad vanilla. Can't miss it. Give that a whisk. Remember that melted chocolate and butter? How quickly we forget. Get that in there. And you just want to kind of fold that in there. And remember that mixture with all the powders and stuff? There it is. Get it in. And you will have cookie dough after you fold this in. You don't want to beat it up too bad. You got to have that air in there. You want, a little bit of puff going on in that freaking oven. And you won't see any more dust if you did this right. But just keep going till all the little dust particles are all freaking gone. And then you're going to put this in the fridge 30 minutes. So you can handle it. And now I'm going to transfer this to a glass bowl. Ooey gooey cookie dough. Double chocolate with hazelnuts. And all kinds of stuff. Let's get this in the fridge, 30 minutes. Start banging these things out. 350 in that oven. I told you before. I told you. Is your parchment paper sliding around on your non-rimmed cookie sheet? Mine is. But not anymore. Water. Boom. Magic. No. Water. Any size you wish. This is about a tablespoon and a half of a scoop here. And I'm going to spray it. And I'm going to scoop it. And I'm going to plop it. These are going to be pretty big. These are going to be pretty big cookies. I'm a pretty big guy. Head start, push it down. The rest of it will melt and expand and then cook from the outside in. It's quite scientific. 2 inches between them. See, easy peasy. I got about 9, and I got about, I don't know, maybe 3 more to go. So let's see how these come out. 10, 15 minutes. Oh, that is dangerous. That's the inside, baby. This ain't gonna last. Oh, no. Get that bathrobe off, put on an apron, and cook these things. I am Chef Sal, and this is Comedy Kitchen with yours truly. Do it!